tèmi ẹ káàbọ̀ ẹ káàbọ̀ ẹ káàbọ̀ ẹ káàbọ̀ a kú ọdún lánàá. I welcome everybody on board. I love you. This is Andy Diolumi, the channel and the foundation. Before I go any further, kí tó bá tẹ̀síwájú sí ọ̀rọ̀ gbòógì tó wà nílẹ̀ ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ wò ó lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta ẹ̀ ń ṣe tí mo lè ṣí fún. Mo rántí pé ọ̀rẹ́ mi kan máa ń lo Forbat A cream, gbogbo alamọ tube Forbat A wọ́n ló máa ń lighting fẹ́rẹ́fẹ́. So èmi ò fi tó nu o, ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n ní pé kí n po òrí mọ́ torí kinní tó wà lójú mi sunburn tí mo ní melasma. So mo ti ń lò pẹ̀lú ọ̀tọ̀ ní vitamin A ṣó ti yé yín. Forbat A yẹn mo pò pẹ̀lú òrí, ibi tó nǹkan ṣe mí nìkan ni o, èmi ò fẹ́ change colour mi, mo dẹ̀ ti ń lò ó ti ṣe díẹ̀ sìn. Then kì í ṣe òun nìkan, òkúta kan wà, òkúta bíi sulfur tó máa ń rùn bíi sulfur báyìí, òkúta ni ó máa ń rùn bíi sótótó, mo gé díẹ̀ mo lọ̀ dáadáa, mo pò mọ́ nǹkan mẹ́ta bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Ọ̀tọ̀ tún ní vitamin A àti sunscreen tí mò ń lò, ṣó ti yé yín lóríṣìí ọ̀nà mẹ́ta, ṣùgbọ́n ojú tèmi ò bó, ṣùgbọ́n ó ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún nǹkan tí mò ń lò gangan. Èmi ò fẹ́ bóra, Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ kí n bóra, ṣùgbọ́n kíní tó mú mi lójú yẹn tó ń pè ní malani àbí melasma sunburn ó ní mò ń lò fún. Mo dẹ̀ rí ìyàtọ̀. Mo tún kọ́ wa torí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wa tí irú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ń ṣe ibi ẹ má fi pa gbogbo ara yín kó má bàa, torí wọ́n ní Forbat A yẹn bó ṣe jẹ́ pé oògùn ìbílẹ̀ ni ó máa ń tone. So nǹkan tó ń ṣe yín gangan ní kẹ́ pò mórí kẹ́ máa fi pabẹ̀. Èmi dẹ̀ tún lọ òkúta, kíní yẹn bí òkúta ni ti sulfur, ó dà ń pò òkúta sulfur àbókúta tó fi ń ṣe tótó gangan ni ó máa ń, mo lọ mo pò wọ́n pọ̀. Mo dẹ̀ ṣì ń lo vitamin A mi, mo ń lo sunburn cream náà, kì í ṣe tí bá fẹ́ jáde nìkan, títí tí ojú mi mo dẹ̀ ń rí ìyàtọ̀, gbogbo kọ́lọ̀ mi ló ń jáde padà, kíní yẹn dẹ̀ ń lọ, mo dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run. Guys ọ̀rọ̀ ìbárò tó rò fọ́ ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa bí mo ṣe ń lọ, ṣé mo pábò sí ní nǹkan, ṣùgbọ́n àbò sí ti wá fún dáadáa ní Andy Diolumi Media Channel. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo ṣe sọ tẹ́lẹ̀, òkìkí ò nídìí láti máa wá àwa gọ́gọ́ ní ìpìlẹ̀ òkìkí, àwa gọ́gọ́ ní ìpìlẹ̀ ìgbéga, ṣó ti yé yín. Ẹyẹ bí àṣà kò sí, bí mo ṣe ń sọ lọ. Mo wá rí lórí YouTube, àṣedádì wa pàìtọ́ wa, ẹ ti rí nǹkan tí mo pe àkórí rẹ̀ síbẹ̀, dádì wa pàìtọ́ wa Àlàbí, àṣé wọ́n ṣe apá kẹta fún àkọ́dá ọ̀rọ̀ Àwíkòkò. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa a ní ya wèrè lórí mídíà, Ọlọ́run á wò wá fáwọn òbí wa, ṣó ti yé wa. Ṣùgbọ́n gẹ́gẹ́ bó ṣe jẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tó pààyàn lẹ́rìí tó, tí mò ń yí lẹ̀lẹ̀ pé mọ́mí Wẹ́sábọ̀d ò mà tún pààyàn lẹ́rìí, àwọn fúrákàsì ò mà tún pààyàn lẹ́rìí, ṣó ti yé wa. Mo kọ́ ọgbọ́n. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ aráyé ẹ má kàn jẹ́ ká máa rẹ́rìn-ín. Sórí dearest beloved àkọ́dá ọ̀rọ̀ Àwíkòkò, èmi sì ń bẹ ìjà, mò ń bínú gidi, ṣùgbọ́n tèmi bá ń bínú mo máa ń ríran yín, ò ní kí n má sòótọ́. Dearest beloved, ṣe rí àwọn àgbà wa, mo fẹ́ sọ bí ọ̀kan àgbà ṣe rí, àgàgà àwọn àgbà gbòógì tó jẹ́ pé àwọn àgbà tó mọ̀ nípa àṣà àti ìṣe. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀sìn sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́. Táwọn ọmọdé tá bá ṣọ́ra níwájú wọn, ní sàkání wọn, wọ́n máa ń rí wa bí aláìmọ̀kan, bó tiẹ̀ ṣe pé àwọn lọ́rọ̀ wa níwèé lóòótọ́, bó tiẹ̀ ṣe pé ìgbà tiwa ìgbà ọ̀tún ìgbà ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀tọ̀ ni. Wọ́n máa ń wò wá pé kí ló máa ń ṣe àwọn ọ̀dọ́ yìí. Ìgbà mìíràn èrò wọn lóòótọ́ òótọ́ dẹ̀ ni pé kí ló máa ń ṣe wọ́n tó máa ń ṣe gàlìgàlì náà, torí pé kí ni wọ́n ṣáájú wa délé ayé, ilé ayé la bá wọn. Àkọ́dá ọ̀rọ̀ Àwíkòkò, although I am not disappointed, because from reliable source, the people that knew you, I got to know that you are former Fumontan worker, that you were with him in his do you understand? And that's why you talk like him. Apart from that, you are a product of University of Ife. Greatest Ife, great. I bow, I respect you, because do you understand? Even when I was in my school days, Poly Ibadan and all that, when there is interrogation going on or any, do you understand? Whenever I see the product of Ife, kì í ṣe pé Ife mọ̀wé ju UI lọ, ṣó ti yé yín? Kì í ṣe pé Ife ó mọ̀wé ju UI lọ, ṣùgbọ́n àwọn product Ife ó máa ń gbá lára wọn gidi ni. So èmi ò ń bá Ife taka. Whenever I spot any product of Ife, èmi máa ń bá òní, èmi ò ń bá Ife, no, èmi ò ń bá Ife taka. Before ìgbà tí mi ò mọ̀ ni mo máa ń bá wọn taka. Kò síbi tí Ife lè wà tí taka pé ká máa taka on a current affair or anything. Ife máa, do you understand? Kì í dẹ̀ ṣe pé wọ́n better product University of Ibadan, but ọ̀tọ̀ ní kí nǹkan máa gbá lára èèyàn, ó máa ń gbá lára wọn gidi. Ọlọ́run ló mọ irú àwọn professors tó máa ń tó máa ń wà nífẹ̀ẹ́ Ọlọ́run ló mọ irú àwọn lecturers, okay, the kind of their lecturers, the way to, you know, our orientation is different, so I respect you, I bow, but gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣe yẹn most times ọ̀dọ́ ló máa ń jẹ. Your update yesterday about Sowore's release, I was watching it and you lamented that somebody was questioning you that your religion's program part 6, is it part 6 or part 7, that why are you not, why the continuation they are still expecting it, but you told them, which I believe is a lie, that it ti gba endi wọ́n ti gba ẹ wọlé. You said it's because the ogun abẹ́lé that is about to come to pass between Yoruba and Hausas, that is your priority for now. No, my dear, anything you cannot finish, don't start. Even yesterday I was like, what does this guy mean? Until I started watching the part 3 that Baba did for you. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn enjoy lọ́wọ́. Baba wa play gbogbo orin tí Àkàndá Ọ̀rọ̀ Awíkókó máa ń kọ bẹ̀rẹ̀. Pastor Alabi ẹ ṣọ́ra o, Baba wa ń jó. Daddy wa sọ̀rọ̀ ilẹ̀kùn. Daddy wa kò gbé yín ṣépè. Àkàndá Ọ̀rọ̀ Awíkókó kò gbé yín ṣépè. Wọ́n ní èpè tẹ́ ẹ̀ ṣe yẹn bàbá tí wàá sọ kọ́kọ́. Wọ́n ní ẹ̀mí mímọ́ ò ṣe fún ọ̀bọ. Daddy wa mi ò tó fi ṣe yẹ̀yẹ́. Daddy, love you, sir. The Bible says we should give honor to whom honor is due. I welcome you on board. We love you in the love of God. I respect Àkàndá Ọ̀rọ̀ Awíkókó. But you know too much. You are so much intellectual and I respect you for it. You educate me so much. Talking about politics, current affairs, name all sorts of. You are awesome. Àkàndá Ọ̀rọ̀, I will not lie. Tó bá ń ṣe program ẹ lọ́wọ́ mo máa ń mí kanlẹ̀. Ọ̀mọ̀wé dé. Èmi náà dé kàwé. I have a license to teach. I'm a psychologist. But irú ìwọ bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ èmi máa ń tẹríba ni. Let me tell you, I won't come here and, do you understand? I won't come and respect. Ṣùgbọ́n a ní láti ṣọ́ra ṣe lọ́dọ̀ àwọn àgbààgbà. Ṣebí Daddy wa Àlàbí ni wọ́n react sí Adébóyè nígbà kan. Ìwọ ò rí pé Adébóyè ò fún wọn lésì ni. Even Adélékè, ọmọ pastor wa, Reverend wa Adébóyè tó máa ń sáré fún gbogbo èèyàn lésì. Gbogbo ẹ tó bá ti tackle Daddy spiritually, Adélékè ló máa bọ́ síta. Firstborn Adébóyè, gbogbo alamọlékè, Pastor Lékè, I think he's a reverend now. Òun ló máa bọ́ síta tó máa debunk, tó máa defend Daddy ẹ̀. Kò fún Daddy wa Àlàbí lésì nígbà yẹn. Mo pa wọn kan wà tó jẹ́ pé ká lọ́ra fi wọ́n sáàyè wọn. And everybody out there ṣe fẹ́ gbọ́. Ẹni tèmi báyìí idea gangan ni Àkàndá Ọ̀rọ̀ Awíkókó, mi ò ní purọ́. Program tó ṣe lórí ẹ̀sìn yẹn, wàláì, the guy has a point, ó ní point. Mo gbọ́ part 2 lèmi ti join wọn. Mo rí part 1 àbẹ̀ ọ̀bọ̀ mi ò wò torí nígbà tí mo click ẹ̀ ó kọ́kọ́ wà boring sí mi. Mo gbọ́ part 3. Mo dẹ̀ rí páwọn èèyàn Daddy wa Àlàbí dẹ̀ jáde. Èmi náà wo tètè Daddy wa Àlàbí kọ́kọ́ ṣe. Ṣùgbọ́n I didn't know that it's a continuous saga. I never knew. Mo dẹ̀ rí páwọn èèyàn tako Daddy wa gan gẹ́gẹ́ bí Daddy ṣe ń sọ páwọn èèyàn ń bú àwọn kinní kan. Ẹ̀yin ò mọ̀ pé ọ̀rọ̀ àgbà wọ́n gbójú wá lọ. Ṣùgbọ́n nǹkan tèmi rí kan bẹ̀ ni pé tẹ́ bá rí bí àwọn méjèèjì ṣe ń fi ìmọ̀ tákà. I want to advise anybody out there. Whatever you want to do in life, let it be something you can defend. Àkàndá Ọ̀rọ̀ Awíkókó is able to defend what he's doing on the media nípa ìmọ̀. Bàbá náà gẹ́gẹ́ bí iṣẹ́ Olúwa tó lọ rán wọn ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ òṣìṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run tí irú kan báyìí bá bẹ́ẹ̀lẹ̀ when there is a saga like this they cannot defend. Mọ́mí wa Ayọ̀ wa Àlàáfíà wa Esabod, mọ́mí Esabod, she's too beautiful woman. Àwọ̀ yín tiẹ̀ ń dá mi lọ́rùn ẹ̀dẹ̀ ní olive lẹ fi ń para ṣùgbọ́n èmi ò like òórùn olive. Àgàgà ìkànnà yín ṣé máa ń fi ṣakọ ni ẹ̀yin gan mọ̀ pọ́wọ́ yín fà tẹ́ máa ń ṣe báyìí tẹ́ ń sọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́. So mọ́mí wa, she was doing Ojúlóṣèṣì, but along that program wọ́n ṣe educative show wọ́n dẹ̀ ń sọ nípa àwa ọ̀dọ́ tá wà lórí media, àwọn kan blog, àwọn kan presenter. She's educating that nowadays how the market is social media wise. So at the end of the day, ọ̀rọ̀ ọgbọ́n gidi wà nù nǹkan tó sọ ṣùgbọ́n ó dùn mí pé most of the advice she said and she gave kò sí èyí tó jẹ́ fẹ́mi ń bẹ̀ ẹlòmíì ló máa wúlò fún. Torí wọ́n sọ nípa blogging pé but me I'm not a blogger pé ẹ̀yin copy and paste blogger nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń ṣe kí á gbogbo ayé ti gbé nǹkan tí wọ́n ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ fẹ́ gbé síta pé ìyẹn ń gbà mí kò ń jẹ́ kéèyàn ní viewers. But the way I see that I will advise anybody, people rushing after you is not what matter. People buying you, but tí saga bá ṣẹlẹ̀ irú ètò ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin Aaron àti Mose nínú Bible, can you defend what you are doing? ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run, wọ́n ní o gbọ́ bí òwò tí ń ta o béèrè lọ́wọ́ orí. ẹ wo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin àkọ́dá ọ̀rọ̀ wa Awíkòkò àti dádì wa Python wa àlàáfíà wa dádì wa Àlàbí. Dádì wa Àlàbí, she's ready. Àkọ́dá ọ̀rọ̀ náà ready. Ṣùgbọ́n a dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run gbògo. Dádì wa Àlàbí was able to tell him Mechionu kí ló mọ̀. But they were able to defend what they do. Don't just be buying any latest, whatever you think is any latest occupation. Kíní làwọn èèyàn ṣe ń sìn. Ṣé ọ̀nà ẹni torí tó bá délẹ̀ tán, can you defend yourself? So nǹkan tèmi máa ń ṣe, nǹkan tèmi ń ṣe, I can defend it. Tí saga bá dé láàrin ẹ̀, Ọlọ́run jẹ́ ká máa mọ̀ sí dáadáa. When in the former school tí mo ti jẹ́ supervisor, one of the teachers there, nígbà tá à ń ṣe report card at the end of the term, àwọn ọmọ kíláàsì ẹ̀ tí gbogbo wa mọ̀ pé òdo ló ń kó jọ, ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní fún wọn ní AAA, and she gave the report card. Money, you don't know these parents. Parents will come here knocking the door that my children cannot write common common 3-letter word, and in his or her report sheet, he had A's, he had B's. As a teacher, if they should call you that you are the class teacher, can you defend it? And I told her that even though I trained her, that no matter how a student can be brilliant, let your A giving somebody distinction, let it be very scarce. It will prepare the child way forward. But if you are always passing a child just to credit the child's ability, effort, that the child is good, the child will always relax. This is their low level stage. We don't have to be encouraging them for now. We have to prepare them ahead. No matter how brilliant a child is, I told every guardian, every teacher, be it professor, I trained her, let your distinction be very rare. Don't just be giving people distinction. It's an error. And I say, if parents should come and start complaining now as the class teacher, when I was a class teacher, many parents have come to tackle me. I was able to defend it as a teacher. You said I fail your student. Your child. Your child cannot construct a simple English. For instance, be looking at us. I told the child, okay, sit down. The child went outside. You know, there are some children they will bring to our school that they don't know English. We are starting from afresh with them. Somebody that don't know the meaning of sitting down. When we teach in English in our school, how can he or she understand? Because the parents were claiming she's brilliant more than her younger sister that they passed. But the sister understands when the teacher is talking. If I tell the student do this, she will do something entirely. So parents are coming to, do you understand? Whatever you do, don't do things because people are doing it and it's a way forward. People can be buying you, but can you, do you understand? I am so proud of Akonda Awíkòkò, even though I might have issue with you. I'm not, do you understand? And I'm so proud of our daddy. A lot of people who claim to be men of God cannot defend yourself. You must be able to defend yourself. It's not everything will not always be rosy. There will be a time people will come and tackle you. We thank God for our people, our wonderful people doing exploits. We celebrate them. But at times, whatever we listen to, if even the normal source that you are taking advice from, at times it can be contradicting. It's not every advice, every educative show, every updating that is meant for you. Yes, you might witness it, but you must have a decision in your heart. Is this meant for me or not? So many things that our great people will look up to throw out there as an educative show or advice and all that. If it's meant for me, I will thank God that this one is meant for. There are some that are ọ̀rọ̀ ọlọ́gbọ́n ni wọ́n sọ ṣùgbọ́n kì í ṣe èmi lélẹ̀ ìbáwí. Do you understand? She was addressing bloggers, but I am not a blogger. I'm a presenter. But I have seen most of her shows. There was the one she was talking about people with depression. That's why they put derogatory comments. I gotta go, guys. But it's a wonderful one. We thank God for Daddy Alabi. Love you guys.